Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I am losing my voice again. There's been some illness going through my house and my voice is in and out, and it's a yucky day outside, but we're gonna forge through. And I think my 2-year-old's getting ready to come in. Anyway, I wanted to film today because this is my 1.5-year anniversary of my no-buy. 18 months or 1.5 years, however you want to call it, I have made it. I have made it, and I'm excited, and it was hard because my last update was actually on Black Friday. I had to get through Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I think they have Green Monday now. They just have so many sales going on, and I was tempted. I was very, very tempted. I virtual shopped like a mad woman. I would put things in my cart and I'd be like, should I break my no-buy? Do I want this? Should I put it on a Christmas list? What should I do? I really want this. I don't really want it. I really want it. I don't really want it. And I struggled for like probably a good 2 weeks. And I'm very happy to say I didn't buy anything except for replacements. I have some replacements that I'm going to show you, but they're not anything spectacular. Stuff that I needed, but not anything super exciting. And here comes my daughter. Here she is. She might be in and out of this video, but anyway, I made it, and I'm so very happy. And I struggled though. I really struggled, but I almost feel like the victory is that much sweeter because I did struggle with it, and I did it anyway. Here's my my crazy daughter with her crazy hair. So, okay. I am going to show you my replacement haul. I'll be right there, sweetheart. Go ahead and play with this stuff. This is my replacement haul right here. It is very, very exciting, as my replacement hauls usually are. Try not to be jealous. I've got cotton rounds from Dollar Tree. Yep. I like to grab these all at once because, you know, and I don't have to keep going back to the store. I actually had to already open one of those and start using it. So I got 6 of those, and I got some other things from Walmart because, you know, high-end stuff at Walmart. I got the 2-pack. That's why I have 2 of these. They sell them a little bit cheaper in the 2-pack of the Equate Beauty Astringent that I like to use. Mine is just about done, so I needed that. And another thing that I got actually came in a 3-pack because it was a little bit cheaper, and this is the eye makeup remover. This is the Equate Beauty oil-free eye makeup remover, and it says compare it to the Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. I really like this one, and that's why, you know, I bought the cheaper 3-pack. Uh-oh. My daughter's having some struggles with a little basket here, or a little bag. She likes to put things in her bags. So we're going to help her out real quick. There you go, sweet pea.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. And the, oh, are you enjoying that? And the last thing that I replaced, it has taken me a while to replace it. I thought I could go without replacing it, and my skin is not happy. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift Bright Reveal Brightening Peeling Pads, and this is to replace the Estee Lauder. I'm trying to remember, it was the, I don't even remember which one it was. It was an Estee Lauder peel. It was a 2-step peel, and it was kind of like a thermal where you put it on and then use the pads to wipe it off. I'm hoping this will work just as well, and it is significantly cheaper. I want to say this was $9.99 at Walmart, and the Estee Lauder peel was $96, so significantly cheaper. And of course, my daughter is just going to keep chattering through this video, but that's okay. It's busy mom life. I mean, I'm in a hoodie. I got my daughter right here. One of my sons is out watching Tangled in the living room while playing on his Kindle. It's just a typical day in my house. So that is my replacement haul, my no-buy update. I can't believe I've gone a year and a half. I've gone through 2 Black Fridays and I haven't bought a thing except for like these types of replacement items where I'm really trying to go more economic. I think I'm doing pretty good with this. And my goal, as most of you know, is to try to get to that 2-year mark. So I have 6 more months to go. And some days it's really hard, and then other days I'm like, there is nothing out there that I want. Nothing. With the exception being like some good true purple eyeshadows and some good pinks. I'm going to make do with what I have right now. I still haven't even put anything on my Christmas list as far as any kind of makeup whatsoever. And that was by design because, yes, I'm on a no-buy and gifts don't count, but I don't want to use that as a crutch to perpetuate my bad spending habits because I know if I ask for them, I'm going to get them. So I try not to do that. I want to really focus on what I have and see what else I can do in the next 6 months. So wish me luck, and let's see if we can at least get another month under the belt and hopefully make that last 6 months work for me. All right, that is everything. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.